quickly call on my Provost, Dr. Abdulganiyu, to please come and give his welcome remark. My Provost.
Louder. Cooperative here, cooperative there, cooperative everywhere. The Honorable Minister of State for Agriculture and Food Security, Senator Dr. Abdulganiyu, CON, Baradun, Executive Directors of Agricultural Research Institute that are present here today, the Provost of all sister colleges, Commissioner of State Directors and State Directors of Cooperatives, Management Committees and Managers of Cooperatives that are here today, distinguished guest speakers, Principal Officers, Management and Staff of the college, other invited guests, our participants, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. It is with immense pleasure and deep sense of responsibility that I welcome you to the Federal Cooperative College, Ibadan, the cradle of cooperative education in Nigeria, as we host this landmark Southwest Cooperative Stakeholders Forum. The forum is under the renewed Cooperative Reform and Revamp and National Training Workshop for Trustees, Management Committees, and Managers of Cooperative Societies in Nigeria. This event is not only timely, but also significant, coming at a time period when our nation is seeking sustainable pathway for economic growth, inclusive development, and institutional reforms. The renewed hope agenda of President Ahmed Bola Tinubu, His Excellency the President, Federal Republic of Nigeria, GCFR, represents a bold step towards reinvigorating the cooperative sector. The Federal Ministry of Agriculture and Food Security, through the Honorable Minister of State, has demonstrated visionary leadership in conceptualizing this program. We are particularly honored to be entrusted with the responsibility of hosting this national event here in Ibadan. And as a college, we do not take this gesture for granted. May I also commend the various cooperative leaders, resource persons, and participants who have traveled from far and near to be here. It is gratifying to note that the all-inclusive nature of participants in this training program serves as an indicator of the determination of the federal government to change the narrative as it concerns cooperative societies and its contributions to growth and development of Nigerian economy. The training workshop is coming at a time when the 3 federal cooperative colleges are undergoing critical reform aimed at repositioning it to fulfill its mandate to produce and equip manpower armed with cooperative vocation and entrepreneurial skills capable of establishing and managing cooperative businesses and other related organizations. At this juncture, I would like to implore all the stakeholders here present to take this laudable program to our respective states in line with the renewed hope cooperative reform of the present administration. We should feel free to share our experience and expertise in running cooperative businesses and also embrace new strategies put in place for the present administration to reform cooperative societies. As a mark of honor and recognition of the Honorable Minister of State for Agriculture and Food Security unwavering commitment to cooperative reform, the college is delighted to have the Honorable Minister lay the foundation of its Cooperative Innovation and Empowerment Center on this day, 29 April 2025. The initiative reflects the college's proactive commitment to assuming a strategic and collaborative role in the Federal Ministry of Agriculture and Food Security ongoing reform effort for revitalizing the Nigerian cooperative subsector. The center will serve as a dynamic platform for developing innovative cooperative models, capacity building, digital integration, and youth empowerment, all of which align with the objectives of the renewed hope cooperative reform and revamp programs. The center will also serve as a hub for cooperative activities where students and cooperators can interact and interface on emerging issues in cooperative sector. As an institution, Federal Cooperative College Ibadan has the mandate of training manpower in cooperative studies and related disciplines such as business administration, banking and finance, accountancy, marketing, computer science, home and rural economics, and agricultural technology at national and higher national diploma levels. The college is ready to provide leadership, knowledge, and solutions that will drive a new era for cooperative excellence in Nigeria. As we deliberate, train, and engage over these 2 days, I urge us all to approach this gathering with open minds and shared commitment to build a stronger cooperative movement that works for all. Together, we can make cooperative a powerful engine for national transformation. Long live Federal Ministry of Agriculture and Food Security. Long live Agricultural Research Council of Nigeria. Long live Federal Cooperative College and Ibadan. Long live Oyo State. Long live Nigeria. Thank you and God bless. Pop, pop, pop. Pop, pop, pop. Pop, pop, pop. Cooperative here, cooperative there, cooperative everywhere. Thank you once again.